Hello student, welcome to online class. I am Shyam Dulari from LPM Public School. In this video I will tell you about 22 chapter, that is preposition of class 6. First, as it is given in the beginning of the chapter, that is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks in this paragraph with the word from the box. Some word can be used more than once. Here the preposition words are given in a yellow box, and from these words we have to fill the blanks. So let's see in which blank which word will be suitable. This is my second video. In my previous video I have given the definition of preposition, its kinds with examples. Now let's see this. Here the starting is Michael lives in. I have filled in the blanks the in preposition which is correct and suitable. The Michael live in a small flat at Cambridge. Cambridge is a name of a place, and it is also a name of a university in America. He live. Here another blank is given, two other boys. It means he live with two other boys who are student at Cambridge University. They work hard during the week, but at is the preposition here. At the weekend they invite a lot of friends from their houses. Their houses, it means friends' houses. So they invite their friends from their houses. So I have filled here word from. They cook meal for their friends. They cook meal for is correct here. Appropriate word. So I have filled here for their friend. And listen to music. It means they enjoy party. They call their friend and they made dinner for them, and also they listen music. In second paragraph, so in this way, in first paragraph, first blank is in the first blank in the second at, third blank is with, fourth blank is at. In fifth blank, during, the word during will be filled. In 6 it is at. Blank number 7 from. In 8 for, and in 9 2 will be filled, and then this paragraph will become meaningful and complete. Now come to second paragraph. Michael has two jobs. Michael has two jobs. During Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, he work in a hospital. So I have here used the word during for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, because 3 days he work in a hospital where he help to look after children who are ill. He goes to the hospital by bus. The sentence end again. On Thursday and Friday he work at home. He writes stories. The second job is he stay home and write stories. The word that we have filled in the sentences above are preposition word. So in this way we have seen the preposition may be defined as a connecting word showing the relation between the noun or the pronoun and some other words in a sentence. We can also say prepositions are those words which comes before noun or pronoun and show the relation with the other sentence. Now let's see the second exercise of this chapter. Before seeing the exercise, let's see the noun or the pronoun which follow the preposition is called object. It means the noun or the pronoun which follow, which is with the preposition, is called its object, as given in the sentence. Asmita is afraid of lizard. Here the word of is a preposition and lizard is object of this preposition. In the second sentence, the man jumped off the bus. Here off is a preposition and the bus will be the object of that sentence. Now let's see exercise based on this, that is, first is underline the preposition and indicate their object. Here we have to underline the preposition in each of the sentence, but to indicate the object I have just circled the object here, so that we are easily know which is a object and which one is a preposition. So the underlined words are preposition here and the circle words are their object in each sentence. Now let's see one by one all the sentences which are the object of this sentence and which are the preposition in the sentence. In the first sentence, it is I spoke with him yesterday. Here the word with is a preposition word. The word with is a preposition and him is the object of the preposition. So with will be underlined as it is given, underline the preposition. So I have underlined the word with because it is a preposition of this sentence. And the second thing is indicate their object. Here their object, it means object of this preposition which comes just after it, and that is him. So I have circled here to indicate the object him. Underline word is a preposition, with is a preposition in this sentence, and him is the object of this sentence. So now question number 2. Traveling in the Delhi motors is so convenient. In this sentence, the word in is a preposition and the Delhi motors is a single noun word. So it is an object of the word in. So in is a preposition and the Delhi motor is object of this sentence and the object of the preposition in. So now let's see in question number 3. I started at the screen. Here I is a subject, started is a verb, at is a preposition of the sentence, and the screen is the object of this sentence. So here I have underlined the word at because it is a preposition and circle the word the screen since it is a object. In question number 4, I walk over to the bookshop. In this sentence, over is also a preposition and to is also a preposition, and over to together is a compound preposition. So I have underlined both the word over to. Here the word over to is a preposition and the bookshop, and the word bookshop is an object. So I have circled it. In this way, in this sentence there is two preposition word over to, and the bookshop is the object of this sentence. Now let's see question number 5. My dog jumped in the air and catch the streak. Here in this sentence, my dog is a subject, jump is a verb, in is a preposition, and then the air. Here the word the air is a object and catch the streak. So here the streak is also a object, but it is not the object of the preposition, so I have not underlined it, circle it. This in is a preposition word, and preposition the object of this preposition is the air, so only underline the word in and circle the word the air. In this sentence, do not circle the word the stick. It is an object of a sentence but not the object of a preposition. In these sentences, we have to underline the preposition and indicate their object. It means preposition's object. So, in is a preposition and the object of this preposition is the air. So, only the air will be circled here and in will be underlined. In question number 6, from here I will go to Sunil's house. Here to is a preposition and the object of this preposition will be Sunil's house. So circle the word Sunil's house and underline the word to because it is a preposition word. In the same way, in question number 7, look at the sunrises. Here the word at is a preposition word, look is a verb, at is a preposition, and the sun rises is object of the preposition. So I have underlined the word at and circle the word the sunrise since it is a object of this sentence. Come to question number 8, that is, the cat screeched to a halt. Here to is a preposition word and a halt is a object of the sentence, or you can say the object of this preposition because they are attached to each other. Halt is also a noun word which comes after the preposition, or you can say preposition. We know that preposition comes before noun or pronoun word. Here to is a preposition which comes before the noun word. So this to is a preposition of the sentence and the halt is a object of this sentence. Come to question number 9. We organize a party on the terrace. Here the word on is a preposition and terrace is the object of this sentence which show the place, and on is preposition. On is a preposition and terrace is a object of the preposition and also the object of this sentence. Now come to question number 10. I reached school at 7:20 a.m. Here the word at is preposition which show time and 7:20 a.m. is the object of this sentence, or you can say object of this preposition. Now let's see question number 11, that is, the village beyond the hill is famous for its cheese. Here there is two preposition in the sentence and the two objects are given. The village is a subject, beyond is also a preposition, and the hill is a object of this word beyond. In the same way, is famous for is a preposition here, its cheese is a object here. Here beyond preposition and for both are the preposition word. Hill is a object of the preposition and the cheese is object of this preposition for. So we have to underline both the preposition word and both the object. So in this way we have to underline both the object and both the preposition of this sentence. Underline both the preposition and circle both the object of this sentence. In question number 12, I would like to eat pizza in Italy. Here the word in is a preposition and Italy is a object of this sentence, so circle it. In question number 13, the train clocked into the station slowly. Here the word into is a preposition of the sentence and the station is an object of this sentence. In this way we have done question number E. I hope you have understood. So thank you for the watching.